Hi peeps, my name is Zina and I'm aging ethically, and today I'm going to be doing a look inspired by fall colors. I love everything about the fall season, including Halloween, and you're either a fall person or you're not. It happens to be my favorite season of the year. Also, I haven't mentioned this in a while, but I do post videos here every Monday and Friday, and I have been consistently doing so for about a year now, and I'm quite proud of myself. I work full time, and yet I still find a way to post content for you guys. This is a lifestyle channel, particularly a vegan lifestyle channel. This channel is for everyone. I would like to keep things here vegan, cruelty-free, upbeat. I like to share videos where obviously I'm doing using vegan and cruelty-free cosmetics. I love posting cute animal videos too and sharing with you my volunteer work. I also love posting videos about food. My last upload was a cooking edition or a cooking episode where I made some vegan apple cobbler. I want to showcase a compassionate, beautiful vegan lifestyle. And I have been vegan for about 7 years. I've been a veggie for about 30 years. So I particularly want to highlight how one can live and age ethically. Before anyone mentions this in the comments, I have some cuts and scrapes on me today. Yesterday I volunteered at a farm animal sanctuary, and my friends and I cleared a secret garden, if you will, a place where we could put hammocks and people who visit the sanctuary can sit with the chickens and enjoy a shaded and really fun and peaceful environment. We were clearing a citrus tree that had a lot of like thorny branches. In fact, the whole tree was prickly. Actually clumsily fell into a big pile of tree branches, so thus I have some scrapes on me, but it was worth every second, and I'm going to show some pictures here. It's just an absolutely magical place to visit, and I'm so glad that my friends and I were able to make it even that much more beautiful. All right, I've talked enough today. I'm just going to get into this look. I'm not going to say a lot about what I'm using. I'm going to list all my products down below, and I want to give you guys just a little taste of each step without going like 100% in depth. So let's get into this fall color inspired look. Alright guys, now I am super pleased. Yellow, which transitions into like a shimmery orange gradient, and then like almost like a neon orange, and then all around it is that lovely burgundy red, and in the waterline of course is that iridescent green and a strong black wing liner. I'm going to pop off camera, finish the other eye. I'm going to apply these Ardell Lashes. They are number 120 and they're pretty natural looking lashes. I don't want to go too extravagant for this look because I think the bold colors sort of speak for themselves, and I will be right back. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am back and I can't get over the color gradient. I can't get over how like kind of bright and neon this turned out without intentionally doing so. I really feel like this resembles one of those bright colored vibrant fall leaves, and I am so excited. I'm going to brush away this bake, add a little blush, and today I'm going to be using the e.l.f. JellyPop blush, and I recently just reviewed these new e.l.f. JellyPop watermelon infused products, and I'm going to link that information above. Let's go ahead and highlight with some Jeffree Star. This is the Supreme Frost Diamond Wet. I'm going to put a little on my nose as well. I think it's only fitting and appropriate to finish this look with a fall colored liquid lipstick, and I'm going with Jeffree Star's Velour liquid lipstick in Pumpkin Pie. Ooh. Now I am going to zoom in here, hello, so you can really appreciate all of the colors that are happening. I am so pleased with this look today, you guys. I love fall. I'm not ashamed to admit it. I am one of those basic pumpkin spice latte type of gals, although I don't get mine from Starbucks because they have actually dairy in their pumpkin syrup. So if you did not know that and you're vegan and you go to Starbucks for a almond or soy or coconut milk pumpkin spice latte, that pumpkin spice little squish that they use has dairy in it. Oh no. So unfortunately, I don't get pumpkin spice latte from there. I make my own at home using actual pumpkin puree, or I add pumpkin spice to my coffee, or I buy dairy-free pumpkin spice creamer. But there are ways around it if you are a pumpkin spice latte fanatic, as I am. If you love fall as much as I do, please comment down below. I would love to hear the many reasons why you and I both share the love of the fall season. As previously mentioned before, I do upload twice a week, Monday and Friday, and I work full time. I am really hoping to make YouTube a full-time gig for me. I would love to review vegan and cruelty-free products 3 times a week, more often, but right now I can only upload twice a week. So by liking, sharing, commenting, interacting, you're helping me achieve that dream, especially when you share my posts and my videos. So I thank you so much, and I truly do appreciate that. Thank you once again for watching this video. I'm very grateful, and I hope you guys have a lovely weekend. I will see you in the next video. Bye.